Every parent wants to see their baby grow strong. When weight gain is the goal, every spoonful matters. But what truly happens inside their tiny, developing bodies when you offer the most nourishing foods? The journey begins with calories that are gentle, dense, and full of love. Think of creamy avocado, rich in healthy fats, or a spoonful of full-fat yogurt packed with protein. As this nutrient-rich food is swallowed, it travels to the stomach, where it's prepared not just for energy, but for growth. In the small intestine, the magic of absorption unfolds. Tiny golden droplets of healthy fats and building blocks of protein are released. They pass easily through the gut wall, entering the bloodstream, ready for their most important job: construction. This nutrient-rich blood becomes the blueprint for growth. The heart pumps this precious cargo to every developing system. Those healthy fats travel to the brain, integrating into rapidly forming neural pathways, building the very architecture of the mind. The proteins are directed to muscles and tissues, weaving themselves into new fibers, gently adding strength and healthy mass to little arms and legs. And crucial nutrients are guided to the growth plates in the bones, the engines of height and frame, ensuring the foundation is as strong as the child. This isn't about empty calories. This is about strategic nourishment. It's the understanding that foods like lentils, sweet potato with a drizzle of oil, or fortified cereals deliver a symphony of nutrients that the body uses with purpose: to build, to fortify, to energize. You're not just feeding your baby. You're providing the essential materials for their body to build its future. You're nurturing growth from the inside out.